Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you the one who encounters web pages unavailable every time you log in open your Lucky Cola account? Then, this video is for you. Make sure to watch this tutorial until the end. By the way, I'm RJ, your tutorial for the day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So here's the steps on how to fix this Lucky Cola problem in logging into your agent account. First, click the three dots on the upper right side of your screen. Choose Desktop Site. Next, click again the three dots on the upper right side of your screen. Look for Privacy and Security. Then, choose Secure DNS. Then, choose another provider. Then, click Open DNS. Then, turn off the desktop site mode. Refresh the site and log in your agent account. Karen, you can now open your agent account on Lucky Cola. So if this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Want to be my agent and start earning commissions weekly? Comment on the comment section below.